How to fix Snapchat My Eyes Only Not Loading on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. There are several reasons why My Eyes Only might not be working for you, so let's go ahead and discuss it further. First and the foremost thing that you can check is your internet connection. My Eyes Only decrypts protected snaps on Snapchat server, so make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection for the snaps to load or else it will not load. You can switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or you can switch from mobile data to Wi-Fi or you can also enable airplane mode for some time and then toggle it off again and see if that fixes your issue. And if not, open the Snapchat application on your device and make sure you were signed in and now tap on your Bitmoji on the top left of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Now, scroll down and tap on the clear data option and then tap on the clear cache option you see there. And then tap on the clear option in the confirmation pop-up that appears. Next, if your issue is still not fixed, try to restart your device as restarting the device fixes majority of minor glitches on your iPhone as iOS memory leaks mess with heavy features like encrypted folders. If your issue is still not fixed, open App Store and tap on the search bar there and search for Snapchat and if any update is available, go ahead and update your device further. Also, launch the Settings application on your device and tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Make sure that you have enough storage space. If you are under 1 to 2 GB free, delete old photos, videos, or unused app and then reopen Snapchat. And by now, the Snapchat memories and snaps from My Eyes Only should be loading. So, this is how you can fix Snapchat My Eyes Only not loading on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.